Let us learn few words and sentences that would be really useful before going to attend an appointment. Ein Formular ausfüllen. To fill an application or form. Das Amt, meaning is the office, public office. Die Angehörigen, the responsible people. The Antrag, the application. Das Ausländeramt. It's a neutral general, so thus you have already seen das Amt. Here it is also ending with Amt, so it's das Ausländeramt. Reception is feminine. The reception, also called as die Auskunft, the information center, the Auskunft. Der Reisepass, the passport. Unterschreiben, signature or to sign. Einreichen, submit, abgeben, to give. Or hand over the forms. Das Meldeformular, the registration form. Sich anmelden, to register yourself. Here is the Einwohnermeldeamt, the registration office, to register yourself. Sich anmelden. Das Einzugsdatum, datum is das, so das Einzugsdatum, meaning the date, the exact date when you entered the apartment or a house. The Familienstand, ledig meaning single, verheiratet, married, mit Kinder, with kids, geschieden meaning divorced, verwitwet meaning widow. What is your family status? So you could pick whichever suits you and fill it accordingly. While filling, in German we always use a X, Kreuz. It's called German Kreuz. Please do not use tick. In some of the countries we might be using tick. Instead of tick, you have to use an X. Das Geschlecht, the gender. Die Staatsangehörigkeit, the citizenship, the country, the citizenship or to which country you belong to. Die Unterschrift, the signature. Berufstätig, what is your job status? Berufstätig. Here are a few sentences that could be really helpful while you are making an appointment. Würden Sie mir das bitte nochmals erklären? Would you please explain it once again? Ich brauche eine Auskunft. I need the information. Was bedeutet das? What does that mean? Konnten Sie mir bitte helfen? Could you please help me? Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Could you please repeat it? Einen Antrag oder ein Formular ausfüllen. Application or a form to be filled. Sich beim Einwohnermeldeamt anmelden. To register yourself in registration office. Den Führerschein machen. To do driving license. einen Antrag einreichen oder abgeben. To submit the application or to hand over, to give the application. Abgeben is to give, to hand over. Entschuldigen Sie bitte, ich habe Sie nicht verstanden. Excuse me, sorry, I could not understand you. These are few sentences. If you have any more doubts, if you could not understand any word while filling an application or a form, please do comment on this video. I would get back to you. Thank you.